Hi, so this is our fully automatic small carpets, blankets, quilt and wool washing, drying machine. Let me tell you about the physical features about the machine. The machine weighs about 1 ton, about 950 kilograms. This part of the machine, it has cement inside of it with the support of these two things so that it doesn't shake a lot. It doesn't shake a lot. The inside and the outside are fully chrome stainless steel. The intake of the water can intake fully automatic. You just plug in the water hose, and it takes water from here. This makes the machine takes water automatically. You don't need to touch it, and from here you can see how much water you have used. The machine has a safety feature, so if the cover is not closed, the machine will never work. Thanks to this device. Then we have a digital control panel. We have the emergency stop. We have the cover open and the cover left, and the inside cover left and right, and we have the water exit control to close it or to open it. In this one we can provide it in English and Arabic and any other language you want. First of all, you can control how much water to take. For example, if you are not washing a lot of stuff, you can say I want to wash it with 100 liter of water. You say yes, and the machine will start to take only 1 liter of water. And you can control other stuff from here manual, to close things, to turn things on, and so on. From here you can take control of the time of how much the machine will be washing. For example, in here the machine will wash for 13 minutes with 1 minute to the left and 1 minute to the right, fully 30 minutes. And then this is the time for the machine to exit all of the water. For example, here I set it to 4 minutes because usually 4 minutes is enough so that all of the water is out. And then here we have shake, rinse the water. So the machine will, after the washing process, the machine automatically will start to emptying the water and to clean and rinse the blankets and everything inside from the detergent. After 4 minutes, the machine will automatically also start to spin, to squeeze and dry the small carpets, the towels, or the blankets inside.